Today, we're going to talk about factors that may influence the development of hip dysplasia in German Shepherd puppies. We all know that it's not everything is genetics. There's a lot of environmental factors that can bring and predispose our puppies to develop hip dysplasia. We can start with the overweight puppies. Excess weight puts additional stress on developing joints, increasing the risk of hip dysplasia. Maintaining a good weight is crucial for joint health. The slippery floors, something that we have talked a lot about, and I tell all my clients all the time. For my Southern Wind puppy families, slippery surface can cause puppies to slip and injure their joints, leading to instability and improper development, which can contribute to hip dysplasia. Jumping. Repetitive or excessive jumping, especially from heights, can strain the hip joints and damage the growth plates, potentially leading to hip dysplasia. So we have to be very careful with that. Up and down on the stairs. This is very, very common and it's very dangerous. The frequent use of stairs, particularly in young puppies, can put undue stress on their developing hip joints, increasing the risk of dysplasia. Overexercise as well as underexercise, but with overexercise, we mean a puppy that you're forcing him to move around, and it's bad. Intensive or excessive exercise can damage growing joints and ligaments, leading to abnormal joint development and a higher risk of hip dysplasia. Poor nutrition. An unbalanced diet lacking essential nutrients can affect bone and joint development. Overfeeding can lead to rapid growth, which stresses the joints, contributing to create hip dysplasia. Lack of exercise, like when puppies are raised inside crates all the time, that's terrible. Insufficient exercise can lead to weak muscles and poor joint support, making the puppy more susceptible to hip dysplasia. A balanced amount of exercise is crucial for healthy development. You always have to measure it. Excess protein in food. It has been proven that increases the growth rate and can lead to problems. High protein levels can lead to rapid growth, putting stress on developing joints and increasing the risk of hip dysplasia. Properly balanced diets are essential for joint health. Growing too fast. Rapid growth can put excessive pressure on joints and bones, leading to abnormal developments and a higher chance of hip dysplasia. Proper nutrition and growth management are essentials. So we're talking about genetics. Inherited traits from the parents can predispose a puppy to hip dysplasia. Responsible breeding practices, including genetic screening, can help reduce the risk. But we all know there's no guarantee as far as on hip dysplasia because it's been on the breed since it was created in 1898. But breeders should have their dogs be healthy tested on hips and elbows before using them for breed, just to be on the safe side. Injuries. This is very common on very active dogs that jump all the time on the kennels, even puppies. I mean, they're hurting their joints all the time. They're putting pressure on their joints. The early injuries to the joints, the ligaments, or bones can affect their development and stability, increasing the risk of the hip dysplasia. And improper bedding. Hard or uncomfortable bedding can affect joint comfort and development. Providing supportive and comfortable bedding helps promote healthy joint growth. Remember that by avoiding these conditions and behaviors, you can help minimize the risk of the hip dysplasia in your German Shepherd puppy. Always consult with a veterinarian for personalized advice and to ensure your puppy's health and development are on the right track. Thank you. This is Cecilia from Southern.